So now it's Cadbury Creme Egg time. I do not like these things at all. They are gross. Let's see what happens. See the egg ooze. Sounds nasty. Alrighty. Let's give it a minute. It's another thing that doesn't look very appealing through the... that stupid spinner thing! Ill. Oh, gross. It's seeping out the bottom.
It's not gonna go well. It's gonna spill all over.
Look.
It's hatching.
Yes, it is.
A peep is gonna come out.
That'd be something.
That'd be awesome.
Oh my god, that's gross. What do you think? Is it done?
I think it's about to splatter all over the microwave. Oh my god, that's amazing.
That is so gross.
Oh, you have to taste that.
Mm-hmm. No way.
Just give it to Radio Mom.
Ew. Oh, sick.
You're gonna burn your tongue.
Oh, that's nasty. I left behind a nasty, nasty goo.